How's it going, buddy? Welcome back to Elvis Junction Reviews. Today we are looking at another product from Aurora Miniatures. Yeah, it's been a while since we've had a product of theirs on the channel. We're looking at an Aurora Miniatures HO scale Gunderson 6276 CF Plate F boxcar in the F box. So it's TTX number 506737. Sorry, 35. And there it is in this box. This is a 50-foot box car right here, high cube. So let's not waste any time and let's open it up here. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Come on, don't fight me. It's fighting me. There we go. As you see, there's nothing in that box. And there's nothing, which is a very, I don't like that. Aurora Miniatures was saying is really gone off about their quality and stuff about that. Like, they put a lot of detail into this thing. And it's not that's not helpful. If say something breaks, what are you gonna do? You can't fix it yourself. You have no choice. That is a sad thing of the industry. But anyway, there it is, all nice and shiny and new in its box. So let's pull it out here. All right, it's very light. I'm a little disappointed. I wish it was a little heavier. Let's get the box out of here. And now let's get into a little bit of history. So I'm getting my history off of Lombard Hobbies because there's no description on the box here. So anyway, from 2004 onwards, thousands of these 50-foot boxcars were built by the Greenbrier Company at its various facilities across the U.S. and Mexico. It is an excellent representation and proof of the 50-foot boxcars' continued existence in the 21st century railroading. Most of these boxcars can be seen in paper service across North America. So our locomotive, our boxcar here, was built by the Gunderson company between 2016 and 2017. It was delivered, this car in particular was delivered in 2016 and features the Tuscan red TTX logo with the large rail pulling experts, as well as the Railbox logo from a while back. All right, so now let's get into some details, starting with the A and B end. If you are curious as to what the A and B end of a freight car is, well, it's simple. B stands for brake. A, I guess, nothing. But anyway, so we're looking at the B part of it, and as you see, there's a lot of detail here, so we're going to start from the top and work our way down to the bottom. At the top here, in the white paint, we have excess height car, and we have F-Box 506735 right on the right side there. Down here, we have some legible writing here, which includes keystone here, cushion unit, as well as 36-inch wheels. That's 3 feet. It's very impressive. We have some more details right here. We have a grab iron that extends the width of the car here from here to here, and that would go nicely with this little walkway here. So if you need to traverse from one side to the other, you can hold on without falling between the cars. There is our brake wheel, and here is the brake chain. We have two little ladders right here and right here. There are ladders on either side of the car right here, and some little steps right here. Here is the coupler. There is the air brake hose, and here is our coupler cut bar. It's pretty much the same thing on the other side, just minus that brake wheel. And as you can see, it looks pretty much the same. All right, so now let's get into some side detail. Alrighty, so currently looking at the side of the car here. Here's that ladder that I mentioned earlier when we were looking at the front, or the B end. There's a little plaque here that says excess car height, something similar to that. We have next road, any road, and that strange arrow logo right there. F-Box 506735, and this is a plate F car. We have a load limit and our load weight right here. We have lift and jack here, so this is the jack pad right here in case you need to do some repairs on the underside of the car. You can also see all the riveting detail, which is very nice. I like that. Here we have a 70K. I'm not exactly sure what that means. Right here is the truck, and by the way, these blue end caps, they do roll. You can see them rolling right now. And you can actually see that the trucks are marked for the car here. It does say F-Box 506737. There are the springs for the truck. You can just see it under here, but there is the brake rod. We will get into that when we look at the underside detail. And as you can see, this is what has been affectionately known, called the waffle outside style, because it kind of looks like waffle pieces. As we move on to the door here, as you can see, we have both Spanish and English markings here. Close and lock door before moving car. It's pretty much the same thing right here. As you can see, the door does not open, which is a shame, but oh well, that's all right. As you can see, we have security device only, so a security device would be in place right there. Do not lube doors. All right, there is the large handle to turn to unlock the car here. We have some. These rods right here connect to the wheels, which ride on these rails right here. So when the car is slid that way to the right, it opens the door. As we move on here, you can see the TTX Rail Car Pooling Experts logo. There you go, the famous TTX logo. Some more details about the car here. Another excess car height here, as well as lift and jack here. This is another marking right there, some serial number. There's more details right here. Here are the door stoppers right here. So when the door slides, it doesn't go sliding off of the rails there, which would be very embarrassing if it did that. It's pretty much the same on the other side. As we turn the car around here, as you can see, there's nothing different on this side. All right, so now let's look at some bottom detail. On the bottom here, we have a lot of piping detail and a lot of rods in here. So here's the air tank reservoir right here, as well as some crazy, look, this is a lot of detail. Aurora Miniatures, they like detail. If you did see my review on the SD60F, you will know that they really put their heart and soul into the detail of this car and also that locomotive. And looking at the top of the roof here, it's not much. It's just silver. All right, so let's get into my final thoughts. So overall, I think this is a very good looking car. My only issue with it is that it doesn't have a lot of weight to it. I really wish it had more weight because I like my freight cars to be beefy. I like my locomotives to get an actual challenge and actually a real workout. If they're towing around light stuff, it doesn't feel like they're really doing what they're supposed to do. These are representations of heavy locomotives. They should be pulling, and some of them do, some of them unfortunately don't. But anyway, if you enjoyed, please hit that like button. Also subscribe if you have not. Hit the notification bell to know when I upload. I upload on Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so hit the notification bell to find out what I have to review next. But thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.